Hey everyone, how's it going? What am I working on now? Well, I got a 2010 Honda CR-V. Got towed into us for a no start. Car had been parked for quite a while, and they said that they believed that it had an exhaust leak too, which it does. I'm going to cover that in a separate video. Battery was no good, so we put a battery in it. I got it up and running. Now, I've covered this before in another video, but I figured it doesn't hurt to show you again. Radio code. Enter code. The radio's locked. What do you do now? Where do you get the code? Well, on a lot of these, what the dealers originally were supposed to do is they got a sticker. I don't know, actually, I shouldn't say that. I'm not sure if the dealer was supposed to do it or not. But on a lot of Hondas, if you look down inside the glove box here, or inside the panel here, or here, or here, there might be a sticker with a code. I've seen them here, I've seen them up there, I've seen them on this side, on either side. I already checked, it's not there. So where else could it be? Well, a lot of times they'll be given a card, and luckily this car still has the owner's manual. So, like I said, a lot of times there's a card that's given along. That's the warranty stuff. I don't see anything in here. A lot of times there'll be, somebody will handwrite it. No, Honda customer information. I thought that's what an owner's manual was. I don't see any frayed ends of the pages either. So let's see. Honda service history. A lot of times you'll find it in here if somebody saved it. Oh, here we go. Let's see. Yeah. I've seen those labels peeled off, that sticker, and stuck into this book. But unfortunately, I don't really see anything of consequence here. Firestone tires. Technical reference guide. Okay, well here's another one. I've seen it in here. And I don't see it in here. Okay. So the owner's manual. Here we go. Radio code 25434. Pretty simple. Let's enter it wrong. Let's see what happens. So it's 25434, but I'm going to enter 24. Oops, code error 1. So I don't know how many times you can enter incorrectly, but I want to say it's 3 or 4. I'm really not positive. But if you enter it incorrectly enough, the radio will go into a lockout mode, and then you can't do anything with it. So let's try putting in the right code. 25434. Ready? 25434. There we go. So now the radio works. Okay, CD in there. I always like to see if there's a CD in there. I like to eject them and then reinsert them, especially after the battery goes dead, because sometimes I've actually seen the CD players jam up. Yeah, so a lot of times too in the owner's manual, go to the section for the radio, wherever that might be in this book. Oops. Like here, radio, disc sound system, radio theft protection, 258. I have found it many times on that page, like somebody will write it in there, so 258. Let's actually just see out of curiosity. No, nobody wrote it in there, but actually you can see a thumbprint in there from somebody. It's not me. So, many different places to look, but a lot of times you'll find it over in there. Now, I've had people tell me, oh, all you gotta do is hit these 2 buttons and then hit the power button or whatever, and it'll come back to life. And I have tried that, and that has never worked for me. If you know a trick, let me know. I'll show you guys. I don't know of a trick. So, yeah, I just thought that was interesting. Thought I'd show you that. I figure It should help somebody out. A lot of times people, they'll freak out because they don't know what to do. And I've actually known of places that'll charge you to do what I just did. There's no reason for that. If you brought it into me, I'm not going to charge you to do that. So, yeah. So anyway, that's it. Hope you got something out of that video. If you did, hit that like button. If you could, please subscribe. Ring the bell. All right. All right, guys. Have a great day. Keep wrenching.